Welcome to the Beast Cars, the ultimate destination for speed, style, and power. The Acura NSX Type S is the perfect embodiment of precision engineering and hybrid performance, representing the ultimate evolution of Acura's modern supercar legacy. It's a machine that bridges the gap between cutting-edge technology and pure mechanical emotion. A car that doesn't just move, it responds, adapts, and connects with its driver on an instinctive level. From the moment you set eyes on it, the NSX Type S exudes performance. Its design is sharp, muscular, and purposeful, showcasing every detail honed in the pursuit of aerodynamic excellence. The sculpted body panels, aggressive front fascia, and wider rear track all serve a function beyond aesthetics. They manage airflow, increase downforce, and enhance stability at high speeds. The reimagined front bumper with larger air intakes channels cooling air efficiently to the hybrid powertrain and brakes, while the carbon fiber roof and rear diffuser reduce weight and improve aerodynamic efficiency. The Type S badge isn't just a label, it's a promise of evolution, one that refines and amplifies the very core of what makes the NSX an icon. Underneath its sleek exterior lies a powertrain that seamlessly blends the best of both worlds, raw combustion and electric precision. The Acura NSX Type S is powered by a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine paired with 3 electric motors, creating a combined output of 600 horsepower and 492 lb-ft of torque. This hybrid system, known as the Sport Hybrid Super Handling All-Wheel Drive, delivers breathtaking acceleration and cornering ability. The mid-mounted V6 works in harmony with the front twin electric motors, providing instant torque vectoring that allows the NSX to corner with surgical precision. The rear electric motor assists the engine in delivering power through a 9-speed dual-clutch transmission that shifts with lightning speed, offering seamless transitions between gears. The result is explosive performance, 0 to 60 mph in just 2.9 seconds, and a top speed of 191 mph. Yet, unlike most supercars that are brutally single-minded, the NSX Type S is sophisticated and composed, blending ferocity with grace. The hybrid powertrain not only enhances performance, but also delivers a layer of control and adaptability that feels almost futuristic. The instant torque from the electric motors provides immediate response out of corners, giving the driver an edge in both acceleration and agility. The chassis of the NSX Type S has been tuned to perfection, with upgraded suspension components, stiffer anti-roll bars, and recalibrated adaptive dampers that adjust to every millisecond of movement. The car feels sharper, more connected, and more alive than ever before. Acura's engineers have refined the balance between front and rear grip, ensuring that the car remains neutral and predictable even under aggressive driving. The aluminum-intensive space frame and carbon fiber structural elements contribute to exceptional rigidity while keeping the overall weight impressively low. Combined with the active aerodynamics and advanced all-wheel drive system, the NSX Type S achieves a level of stability and responsiveness that borders on telepathic. The steering is direct and communicative, offering the perfect blend of feedback and precision. Every corner feels like an invitation to push harder, and the car responds with poise, control, and enthusiasm. The braking system, featuring carbon ceramic discs and 6-piston calipers, provides immense stopping power and excellent heat resistance, ensuring consistency even under extreme track conditions. Whether carving through tight mountain passes or accelerating down long straights, the NSX Type S feels perfectly balanced, an ideal fusion of technology and emotion. Step inside the Acura NSX Type S, and you immediately sense the focus on the driver. The cabin design is minimalist yet luxurious, blending performance-oriented ergonomics with premium craftsmanship. The driving position is low and commanding, with every control intuitively placed within reach. The seats are heavily bolstered for maximum support, wrapped in high-quality Alcantara and leather, with contrast stitching that accentuates the car's sporty personality. The digital instrument cluster displays critical performance information in real time, from G-forces to power distribution, giving drivers a detailed insight into how the hybrid system works beneath the surface. The steering wheel, flat-bottomed and wrapped in leather, features paddle shifters that deliver instantaneous control over the transmission. The center console is dominated by Acura's dynamic mode selector, a tactile dial that transforms the car's character with each twist. From quiet mode, which allows for near-silent electric driving, to sport and track modes, which unleash the car's full fury, every setting changes the NSX Type S's personality. The infotainment system integrates Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, though in a car like this, the real entertainment is the sound of the powertrain roaring behind your head. Despite its focus on performance, the cabin remains surprisingly comfortable and usable, offering visibility and refinement uncommon in supercars. It's a car you could drive daily, yet one capable of electrifying excitement at a moment's notice. On the open road, the Acura NSX Type S delivers an experience that's both futuristic and visceral. The hybrid powertrain works harmoniously to provide seamless bursts of acceleration, with the electric motors filling any gaps left by the twin-turbo V6. The sound of the engine is intoxicating, a mechanical symphony enhanced by active exhaust tuning that creates a deep, throaty roar under throttle. As you press harder, the car tightens its focus. The steering becomes sharper, the suspension firms up, and the throttle response turns immediate. The precision with which it tackles corners is awe-inspiring. You can feel the torque vectoring system actively distributing power to the outside wheels, helping rotate the car mid-turn. It feels like the car is reading your intentions, constantly adjusting to give you the fastest, cleanest exit possible. The balance between aggression and control is exquisite, every input rewarded with precision and stability. Yet when you back off and slip into comfort or quiet mode, the NSX Type S transforms into a refined, almost serene grand tourer. The ride softens, the cabin quiets, and the car glides effortlessly, allowing you to enjoy the sophistication of its hybrid engineering. It's this duality that makes the NSX Type S so unique. It can be a silent cruiser or a ferocious track machine. At the turn of a dial, the Acura NSX Type S is more than just the final evolution of this hybrid supercar. It's a celebration of what's possible when precision, technology, and passion unite. It embodies the spirit of innovation that defined the original NSX while elevating it to modern-day supercar standards. It's not just about raw numbers or outright speed. It's about the experience, the connection between driver and machine. Every drive feels personal, every acceleration momentous, every corner a testament to engineering artistry. As Acura bids farewell to this generation of the NSX, the Type S stands as the ultimate expression of the brand's vision,